Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiability, exercise 5.5 from NCERT book, from question number 3. So the question is, find dy by dx of log x to the power cos x. So question is log x to the power cos x. To the power cos x. Find dy by dx. Okay. So let y equal to this. Y equal to log x to the power cos x. Okay. So we know if question form is exponent form power x, that is x to the power x, in this question log x to the power cos x. So by taking log we can easily simplify this question. So taking log both sides, so log y equal to log y equal to log of log x to the power cos x to the power cos x. Now we know log y equal to power is cos x, that means cos x log x. So use log rule. We know log a to the power b equal to b log a. So cos x into log x. Okay. Now start derivative. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. That means dy dx. So dy dx of log y dy dx of log y equal to dy dx of cos x into log x. Okay. So right side is product of two functions are given. Product of two function, use product rule. Right side, and left side dy dx of log y. So log formula we know 1 by x, that means 1 by y into y derivative dy by dx. Okay, log y derivative 1 by y into y derivative dy by dx equal to one function is cos x and second function is log x. Okay, so first take cos x as a constant, so cos x into dy dx of log x plus log x constant, that is v constant, log x constant into dy dx of cos x. Dy dx of cos x. Product rule. Then 1 by y dy by dx equal to 1 by y into dy by dx equal to cos x into, we know log formula is 1 by x, that means 1 by log x, this into 1 by log x into dy dx of log x. Dy dx of log x. Okay, because log x, within bracket this log x is like x. So log x 1 by x, so 1 by log x into dy dx of within bracket, that is dy dx of log x, plus cos x derivative we know minus sin x. Cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x minus sin x into log x. Log x. Okay. So plus log x is constant. So remains same only log x. And dy dx of cos x. So cos x derivative minus sin x. Then 1 by y dy by dx equal to cos x by log x, cos x by log x into log x derivative dy dx of log x, that is 1 by x minus sin x log x, plus minus minus sin x log x. Okay, so dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to y into, y will go right side, that is y into cos x by x log x, x cos x by x log x minus sin x log x. Now y is quotient, so y means log x to the power cos x. So in place of y write log x to the power cos x. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to, y means quotient log x to the power cos x, log x to the power cos x by x log x, cos x by x log x minus sin x log x. This is the answer. Okay, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 4. See the question. Question is let y equal to number 4. Question number 4. Let y equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. 2 power is sin x. This is the question. So question is let y. Now say here two functions are given, x to the power x one function, 2 to the power sin x another function, and middle minus sign. Okay, so let first one is u take and second function is v. So y equal to u minus v, y equal to u minus v, where u equal to x to the power x and v equal to 2 to the power sin x. 2 to the power sin x. Okay. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to du by dx with respect to x, du by dx minus dv by dx, dv by dx. This is number 1, equation number 1. Take. Okay. Now take u equal to x to the power x So from u find du by dx, and from v find dv by dx. So u equal to, now u equal to x to the power x. Okay, so taking log both sides, because x to the power x exponents, okay, variable is x, so log u equal to log x to the power x. Okay, this is equal to x log x. Power is x log x. So now derivative x log x, two function, they use product rule. So d by dx of, differentiate both sides with respect to x, d by dx of log u equal to d by dx of x log x. So d by dx of log u, that means 1 by u into du by dx equal to x log x. So x is constant, first to take x constant, into d by dx of log x, d by dx log x plus log x constant into d by dx of x. Okay, so 1 by u into du by dx equal to x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constant into x derivative is 1. So du by dx equal to du by dx equal to u into x into 1 by x cancel, so it is 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, and u means x to the power x. So du by dx equal to x to the power x 1 plus log x. This is number 2. Okay, now v equal to v. So v equal to 2 to the power sin x. V equal to 2 to the power sin x. Okay, so taking log both sides, log v equal to log of 2 to the power sin x this equal to, power is sin x, so sin x log 2, sin x into log 2. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log v, that is d by dx of log v, equal to d by dx of sin x log 2, or you can write log 2 sin x, log 2 into sin x, log 2 into sin x. Now log v derivative 1 by v into dv by dx, this equal to log 2 is constant, so sin x derivative cos x, so log 2 cos x log 2 constant into sin x derivative cos x. So dv by dx equal to v into log 2 cos x. Log 2 cos x. Now v means, so dv by
2 sin x.
yes dx equal to 2 to the power sin x. Sin x into log 2 cos x. This is number 3. Okay, now from 1, 2 and 3 you get, so from equation 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 we get, so dy by dx equal to this equation, say dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, so du by dx means equation 2, du by dx x to the power x into 1 plus log x. So x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, this is du by dx minus dv by dx, equation 3, that is, this is dv by dx
2 sin x log 2 into cos x.
Yes, 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. Log 2 cos x dy by dx. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, is clear? All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is clear, this process, new UV you are taking.
Yes, sir.
Next see
Yes.
question number 5. Question number 5, let y be the question. Number 5, let y equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 4 power 3 cube into x plus 5 to the power 4, x plus 5 to the power 4. Okay, so taking log both sides, log y equal to log ABC, that means log a plus log b plus log c. So log x plus 3 whole square plus log x plus 4 whole cube plus log x plus 5 log x plus 5 to the power 4. Okay, taking log both sides, then log y equal to log y equal to power is 2, so 2 log x plus 3, 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Okay, now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx, log y derivative with respect to x, okay, equal to 2 into log x plus 3 derivative 1 by x plus 3, 1 by x plus 3 into dy by dx of x plus 3, dy by dx of x plus 3 plus 3 into log x plus 4 derivative 1 by x plus 4, 1 by x plus 4, that is 1 by x into dy by dx of x plus 4, dy by dx of x plus 4 plus 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into dy by dx of x plus 5 into dy by dx of x plus 5. Okay, so 1 by y dy by dx, okay, equal to 2 by x plus 3, 2 divided by x plus 3, and x plus 3 derivative, x derivative is 1 and 3 is constant derivative is 0, so 1 plus 0, that is 1, so 2 by x plus 3 only, this into 1, so 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4, 3 by x plus 4 and x plus 4 derivative 1 plus 4 by x plus 5, 4 by x plus 5 and x plus 5 derivative is 1. Okay, so dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to y into 2 by x plus 3, 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Okay, and y means, y is the question, so dy by dx.
So x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 to the power.
Yes, so x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 x plus 5 to the power 4. This into 2 by x plus 3 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. This is the answer. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we will do question number 7. Next. Number 7. So 7 number question is take y. Let y equal to. So let y equal to log x to the power x. Log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. X to the power log x. Okay. So equal to y equal to u plus v. Y equal to u plus v. Okay. Where u equal to log x to the power x and v equal to x to the power log x. Okay. So dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx equal to du by dx. Du by dx plus dv by dx. This is number 1. Okay. So now u equal to log x to the power x. Log x to the power x. Okay. So find du by dx. So taking log both sides. So log u equal to log u equal to x log x. Taking log both sides. Okay. So x log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log u derivative 1 by u into du by dx equal to product rule u into v. So x into 1 by log x, 1 by log x, log x derivative 1 by log x into d by dx of log x, that is 1 by x. Okay, x is constant and log x derivative 1 by log x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x constant, log x constant and x derivative is 1 into 1 x derivative. So du by dx equal to du by dx equal to u into x cancel 1 by log x plus log x. log x. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now v equal to v. So v equal to x to the power log x. X power log x. Taking log both sides. So log v equal to log of this. That means power is log x. So log x at first, power log x into log x. Power is log x and we are taking log. So log x into log x. So this is equal to log x whole square. Log x into log x whole square. Okay. Now derivative with respect to x, log v derivative 1 by v into dv by dx equal to power is 2. So 2 log x into log x derivative 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay. So dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to v into 2 log x by x. 2 log x by x. Okay. This is number 3. Okay, now from equation 1, 2 and 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so put the values of du by dx and dv by dx, we get dy by dx equal to du by dx equal to du by dx. So du by dx means u into, and u means what is the question? U log x to the power x. Log x power x, that is u. Power x. Okay. And du by dx means 1 by log x plus log x. 1 by log x. 1 by log x plus log x. This is du by dx. Now plus dv by dx. So plus v. V means x to the power log x. X to the power log x. This is v. So dv by dx is 2 log x by x. 2 log x by x. Okay. So this is dy by dx. This is the answer. Clear? All of you understand this? Taking UV, this type question.
Yes, sir.
So you can do now this type question taking UV.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.